Hi, I'm Josh Ledgard, and I'm one of the founders at KickoffLabs. In this video, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the dashboard for the campaign created with the embedded box. Along the top of the dashboard are quick links to get you to all your campaigns, back to the current campaign you're on, the leads list for your campaign, the set of reports for your campaign in terms of conversion rates and what actions people are taking, and quick links to scoring, actions, rewards, messaging, integrations, and all of the other settings you might find or need for your campaign. But let's go back to the dashboard because I want this video to be really quick for you guys to give you a quick tour. The first thing you'll notice is we've set up the actions in the overview here for things you might want to do first. So you might want to go ahead and edit the contest box with the design box thing. You change the colors here, obviously. You can swap out a new hero image. You can change the form in here and add different form fields to the contest box. You can change all of the text with the localization. And then there's obviously a link to the install and embed options. I wasn't really a fan of this color purple. I'm just going to go back to the campaign and go along to the next thing you might want to do, which is if you scroll down a little further, you'll notice there's a preview of your contest box that has a set of actions here that we've pre-configured for your campaign type. This will look different depending on the type of campaign you've created, but you're going to want to go to the next step, which is to edit the scoring here. And we'll bring you right to the actions part of scoring. You can also change the options for if people get points for signing up and how many points they get for every referral they bring to your campaign, for purchases, or for custom things you want to do, like tagging them for like maybe signing up for your product or something and adding a tag to their profile. Within the actions list, let's say I want to go and I could add new actions, but let's say I want to go and edit this Facebook action here. So I can click edit the Facebook action, and you might want to change the URLs here to be, instead of the KickoffLabs Facebook page, you probably want to add your Facebook page as well. Once you're done editing the actions, which you can also reorder here to bring, let's say I want YouTube to be the first action in the campaign, let's go back to the dashboard and look at what's next. The next thing you might want to configure is adding some messaging. So when somebody signs up, it's popular to send an automatic reply email. You can change the sending to yes every time somebody signs up instead of don't send a one. And then the message, you can customize the message. We recommend personalizing it with your name, and we recommend keeping a link in here, which will be a link to a place where they can always go and check their status, which in the case of this campaign will generally be the same place they signed up at, but they'll be signed into the contest box and they'll be able to see exactly how many points they've earned in your competition or what rewards they've earned. Speaking of rewards, that would be next. Not all campaigns are pre-configured with rewards, but if I wanted to go and edit rewards, which are things that people get as they earn points in your campaign. So if I want to edit these milestones, you can see I've got one reward configured at 20 points here. I could add another reward, and let's add this one at 30 points. I could add an image to rewards. I can change the description. I can choose whether or not to send emails when a reward is reached, and I can choose to get notified when somebody reaches a reward. So let's just go ahead and create that reward and go back to the dashboard using that top link. Now you can see if I look at the contest box that I've got 2 rewards in this contest box as well. There's a whole bunch of other settings. You can tell the countdown and everything. You can find link directly from the contest box page down here. And then you can also find them all in all settings here for your campaign. The last thing I wanted to show is that we do also show you the installation steps, because that's really important to install the box somewhere. Right on the dashboard, you install this script here first, and then you install this bit of HTML wherever you want it embedded. Just let us know if you need help finding a guide for your specific platform. We've got a bunch of guides here you can read using the Find an Installation guide for your site link. Finally, we also create a landing page automatically for contest box campaigns. So this is so you've got a place where you can share and kind of preview your contest box at all times. You could also choose to edit this landing page and add some more text around it or some context around the box. Or you could just delete the page. You don't need it, but it's there in case you want to have a dedicated page for your contest box. I hope you've enjoyed this tour. I think the contest box is a really simple way to get up and running quickly with any type of the campaigns that we offer within KickoffLabs. And I hope this tour was helpful, and let us know what you think by emailing support@kickofflabs.com anytime you want. Thanks. Bye.